Hello, Yavists. In the last video, we took a very humble coffee spreadsheet and turned it into something surprisingly powerful using just a few tiny tags. Today, we're going one step further. In this video, I'll show you how Codcel takes that exact same Excel file and turns it into a real Java calculation engine. Yes, actual Java, not Java-flavored pseudocode. Not an XML file that generates another XML file that eventually generates Java. Just Java. Let's start by opening the Codcel app. You can download it directly from codcel.io. On first launch, we see the Welcome to Codcel screen. Let's click Next. This brings us to the Quick Start screen. Again, Next. Now we see a short explanation of how the Codcel credit system works. Nothing scary here. No surprise invoices, and absolutely no license file hidden in a zip from 2009. Click Next. Now Codcel asks where it should store projects locally. Click Browse. Let's create a new folder called Codcel Projects. Click Open. Perfect. Now click Save and Continue. And that's it. We're ready to go. Click Start using Codcel. Before we continue, a quick note. In the top right corner, you can change the theme. If you're feeling adventurous, there's Bumblebee. If you work exclusively at night and fear sunlight, there's Night. And yes, there is even Lemonade. We have no idea why the Codcel developers added so many themes. For today, let's choose Light. Bold choice. Very brave. Now, one important thing. Generating a Java calculation engine is available in the paid version of Codcel. So if you don't yet have a subscription, go to codcel.io, click Pricing, choose a plan, and enter your email and payment details. Once that's done, come straight back here. We'll wait. Let's log in. Click the Login button, enter the same email address you used to purchase your Codcel credits. I'll use anna@codcel.io. Now click Send Magic Link, because at Codcel, we don't believe in passwords. We've all been hurt before. Let's check our email inbox. Here it is. The Codcel sign-in email. Click Sign in to Codcel. This opens a verification page on codcel.io. The website now confirms email verified. We return to the Codcel app and click I've verified. Complete. And just like that, we're logged in. No passwords, no password resets. No, your password must contain a rune and a haiku. Now let's create our first project. Click Create. Enter the project name, Coffee. Click Create Project. On first entry, Codcel shows a short guided tutorial. Step 1, Business Specifications. Next step, 2, Generation Settings. Next again, Step 3, Generate Project. Next select Don't show this tutorial again and click Finish. Now we land on the Business Specifications page. All we need to do here is drag and drop our Excel coffee file into the box. Let's do that. Perfect. File imported successfully. As you can see, the Excel file is now part of the project. And this is important. The file is never uploaded to the cloud. It stays on your computer. All processing happens locally. Your spreadsheet remains your spreadsheet. No surprise syncs. No mysterious background uploads. And no one quietly judging your formulas. Now comes the fun part. Let's generate Java code. Click the hamburger menu in the top right corner. From the menu, we'll skip Generation Settings and go straight to Generate Project. Click Generate Project. This brings us to the Generation screen. In the top left corner, we can see my name and how many credits I have remaining. Foundation artifacts are already selected. These are always required. Let's scroll down and select Codcel Java Calculation Engine. When this is selected, Codcel JNI is automatically selected as well. And yes, this means we're using the power of the Rust calculation engine under the hood. Before you panic, this is a good thing. Rust gives us deterministic performance, memory safety, no surprise runtime behavior, and Java gives us a clean API, strong typing, and zero need to ever think about pointers again. Best of both worlds. Everyone stays happy. Scroll down until we find the Generate button. The button shows how many credits are required. 87 credits in this alpha version. This number may change over time. Click Generate. In a few seconds, Codcel generates full Java source code that lives entirely on your computer. And there it is. Project generated successfully. Nothing uploaded, nothing hidden, no black boxes. When I say full source code, I mean full source code. Let's take a quick look. Open the hamburger menu again and select Java Calculation Library. This opens 3 tabs: Info, Build, and Source Code. We'll go straight to Source Code. Click Open to jump directly to the folder. You can also click Copy Path and open this in your favorite IDE to start experimenting immediately. But for now, let's stay inside Codcel. This should look very familiar, especially if you use Gradle. Click Source, then Main, then Java, then Com, then Coffee, then Cost, and finally, we arrive at some.java files. Let's open costinput.java, a simple POJO, class name, cost input, 2 fields. Emergency coffee tip, exactly the same inputs as our Excel file. Now click costoutput.java. As expected, it contains a single field, cost. Now let's look at the calculation itself. Open codcelcost.java. This is the API you'll actually use. A simple method called Codcel Cost. Input, output, cost output, clean. Predictable, no builders, no factories, no 17-layer abstraction, just in case. This method does all the hard work of connecting to the Rust calculation engine using JNI. We don't care. From Java's point of view, it's just a normal method call, as it should be. And yes, we even generated tests. Click Test, then Java, then Com, then Coffee, then Cost, then Test. Open costtest.java. Click Full Screen. Here we have a test method, Codcel Cost Test. We instantiate cost input with emergency coffee set to £2.92, exactly like the Excel spreadsheet. We set tip to 0. We call codcelcost.codcelcost with input, and then we assert that the result is £3.50. From Excel to a fully typed, tested Java calculation engine in minutes. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into this code and actually run the tests. Until then, keep writing Java and let Codcel deal with the spreadsheets. To keep exploring Codcel, visit us anytime at codcel.io. See you in the next video.